Have you ever woken up and looked in the mirror and thought to yourself, I thought I'd be further ahead in life than I am now? Or wondering, there's got to be more to life than this? Hi, it's Stacey Berger here, and as a certified life and business coach, I am passionate about you living a life that you love. And today I would love to extend a personal invitation to you to join my vision workshop happening on October 3rd, where we will be talking about the 3 keys to accelerate your results. I've been working with entrepreneurs, ambitious people, people just like you who were ready for more in their life. There is a proven, repeatable system of success that when you apply this system to your life, results become predictable. That can take you from feeling worried, anxious, bored with your life to living your dreams, where you wake up in the morning saying, I love my life. When you apply this system to your life, you will experience greater vibrancy, greater energy in your health and your well-being. You'll deepen your relationships and the connections in your life. You'll be doing work that you love, or you wake up in the morning passionate that you're living on purpose, to experience greater time and money freedom so you can do the things that are most important to you. So to join me and people from all over the world on this special day where you will really learn the system of how to create results, you can visit my website, staceyberger.ca, or the information and the links are below. I've had the honor of serving thousands of people and really helping them achieve their dreams, to go from great longing, great discontent, to launching businesses, to writing their books, to finding the love of their life. If you're ready for that type of transformation in your life, sign up today. Space is limited. Here is to you living a life you love.